Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the fascinating intersection of human culture and the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share another compelling story with you today. As we take our first steps on this journey, let's consider the intricate relationship between our planet's climate and the development of human societies. A recent study has shed new light on the archaeology of climate change, revealing the complex ways in which environmental factors have shaped human culture throughout history. Researchers from the Université de Montréal, the University of Liverpool, and other institutions have come together to create a blueprint for integrating environmental and cultural systems. By analyzing the impact of climate change on human populations during the Last Glacial Maximum, they've gained valuable insights into the adaptability and resilience of our ancestors. From the Aurignacian ethno-linguistic geography of Europe to the habitat suitability of human populations in Western Europe, the study has uncovered a rich tapestry of human experience. The team's findings have significant implications for our understanding of how climate change has influenced the course of human history, and how we might learn from the past to build a more sustainable future. As we delve deeper into this story, we'll be joined by experts in the fields of archaeology, anthropology, and ecology, who will share their perspectives on the complex relationships between humans and the environment. We'll explore the ways in which climate change has driven human innovation, migration, and cultural evolution, and examine the lessons that can be applied to our own responses to the environmental challenges we face today. So join me on this journey as we venture into the fascinating world of climate change archaeology and discover the surprising ways in which our planet's history has shaped the course of human civilization. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, where we're exploring the wonders of the natural world and the impact of human activity on our planet. As we continue our journey, let's dive into a fascinating story that takes us to the heart of Europe, where an innovative facility is breeding thousands of jellyfish for a variety of purposes. Imagine being in a place hundreds of kilometers from any ocean, surrounded by the eerie beauty of jellyfish. That's exactly what photographers Heidi and Hans-Jürgen Koch experienced when they visited Jellyfish Farm in Kinzell, Germany. This is Europe's largest jellyfish breeding facility, where you'll find an astonishing array of species, including Pacific compass jellyfish, moon jellyfish, and mangrove jellyfish. As we gaze at the stunning images captured by the Kochs, it's essential to understand the significance of these creatures. Jellyfish are often viewed as a nuisance, their blooms increasing in frequency due to ocean heating, pollution, and overfishing, with devastating consequences for ecosystems and economies. However, they also present remarkable opportunities for sustainable innovation. The jellyfish bred at this facility will be shipped to zoos, aquariums, and research institutions, where they'll contribute to our understanding of these enigmatic creatures. But did you know that jellyfish can also serve as a source of animal feed, fertilizers, or even human superfoods? The biochemicals they contain have anti-inflammatory and immunologically important properties, making them a valuable resource. Moreover, the mucus produced by jellyfish can be used to create biofilters that prevent plastics from reaching our oceans. This innovative solution has the potential to make a significant impact on reducing marine pollution. As we consider the complex relationships between humans and the natural world, it's heartening to see such creative approaches being developed. As adults, these jellyfish will thrive on the seafloor, their tentacles pointing towards sunlight, facilitating photosynthesis for single-celled algae. It's a remarkable example of the interconnectedness of life in our oceans. As we explore this story, we're reminded of the importance of preserving the delicate balance of our ecosystems and the need for continued innovation in addressing environmental challenges. The work being done at Jellyfish Farm is a testament to human ingenuity and our capacity to find solutions to complex problems. As we move forward, it's crucial that we prioritize conservation efforts, protect habitats, and promote sustainable practices to ensure the long-term health of our planet. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of our natural world and the impact of human activities on the environment. In this closing segment, we're going to talk about a critical issue that affects not just the United States but the entire planet: the preservation of dark skies and natural sounds in national parks. The Trump administration's proposed funding cuts to the U.S. National Park Service have put the Natural Sounds and Night Skies Division, or NSNSD, under threat. This little-known office plays a vital role in reducing noise and light pollution in national parks, ensuring that visitors can experience the full sensory beauty of these protected areas. The division's work is not just about preserving the aesthetic appeal of national parks, it's also crucial for the well-being of plants and animals that rely on darkness to survive. Light pollution, which is increasing globally at a rate of 10% annually, has devastating effects on nocturnal species, migratory birds, and even plants. It disrupts their natural behaviors, navigational systems, and photosynthesis processes. The NSNSD has been working tirelessly to mitigate these impacts by improving lighting in public parks, preserving darkness for wildlife, and promoting dark sky tourism. One of the division's notable achievements is the retrofitting of 5,000 lights in the Grand Canyon National Park with lower watt LEDs, reducing spillage into the sky and earning the area a certified dark sky park designation. Similar projects have been undertaken at other national parks, including Rushmore and the Gateway Arch in St. Louis. The proposed funding cuts to the National Park Service's stewardship budget would not only threaten the NSNSD, but also undermine the very purpose of national parks: to preserve and protect America's natural and cultural heritage for future generations. As Kristen Brengel, Vice President of Government Affairs for the National Park Conservation Association, aptly put it, the national parks are a full sensory experience, and there are scientists behind the scenes who are making sure that you have that world-class experience. As we conclude this episode of Nature Walk, I urge you to consider the importance of preserving our natural sounds and night skies. These are not just aesthetic concerns but essential components of the health and biodiversity of our planet. Let us hope that the NSNSD will continue to receive the funding it needs to carry out its critical work. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world.